This is how our cabin looks from inside. This is the third AC. See, now I guess everybody will board from Majestic. So our train is delayed and it's 6:30 now, and finally we have reached Alappey. So this was a train. So finally we have taken auto to go to our stay. We have taken from the railway station to our stay. So we are proceeding towards our stay, and there we'll get fresh and we'll go for breakfast, and maybe we'll take a scooty for rent. Let's see. That's our stay for today in Alleppey. So that's White Shore Homestay, and this is just near the railway track. So railway station was that, and that is our homestay. And so we'll be crossing the railway track and we'll be heading towards the beach. So this will be the beach side. Still we have not checked in yet, so I couldn't show you the room. We will check in after 9:30 like that. So we have just kept our luggage in the homestay, so we are just going to the beach. So we will chill for 2 hours and we'll just come back. We'll have our breakfast there also, there only, and we'll come back. So we have reached the Alappuzha Beach, and this is just around 300 meters away from our stay, and our stay is basically behind that flyover. So it's a walkable distance and it's accessible at any time. So this is the main beach of Alappuzha, and it's early morning, so it basically all the things are closed here. We can just enjoy the beach, and there's a boat kind of structure, so we'll just have to go and find out, because many things are here to be explored from my side. So this is the first beach which we have come for today, and we'll have our breakfast. After that we'll go to the stay and we'll just do the check-in, and we will plan for further activities. So just enjoy this view of the beach. So this is a small ship from Indian Navy. So see, its name is Indian Naval Fast Attack Craft, in fact T-81. So this is how it looks. There's a gun in the front and there's a gun at the back side. There it is. And this is the main cockpit here. So there's the seat of that cockpit, First I'll give you the detail and then I'll show you the whole part of the ship. So here is a detail. So basically it is from Indian Naval Fast Attack Craft Impact 81. So this was commissioned in on 1999 till 2020, and it was decommissioned in Mumbai. So this was basically used for night surveillance and reconnaissance and extraction of marine commandos. So this is how it looks. Yeah, it is part of this Alappy heritage project. See, looks so deadly, man. The gun, the surveillance radars, everything. And it's placed rightly to the shore. So, yeah, anyone from our enemy country, if he sees them, like they'll basically get scared. It's so deadly. It's really looking very deadly. So yeah, and there's the cockpit. I guess I hope you are able to see. There's the cockpit, yeah, and there's a chair. It's a very large. So I should be able to show you fully. Yeah, this is how it looks. The pride of Indian Navy. There's another gun which I was showing. This is the from back side. That one is from front side. Yeah, so these things are like from part of our defense forces. So they have decommissioned it and basically brought a newer version. So see how beautiful they are and how deadly they are. So yeah, we'll keep exploring new things. Till then, we'll continue them.